So share with us, what was one new thing that you learned when you were cooking?
Chopped up asparagus.
So you learned how to chop.
Yeah, chop.
You learned how to chop up vegetables.
Vegetables, yeah.
Awesome. And what was something that you were good at doing when you were cooking?
I was good at probably putting the spices in
Awesome.
and mixing it.
Great. What was fun about cooking with your dad?
What was fun about it is because I was with him and we got alone time because we normally don't get that much time together.
Aw, that's awesome. And did you like to eat the meal? Was it yummy? Was it kid approved?
Yes, I loved it.
Aw, that's so good. And what is a skill you'd like to work on?
The skill I would like to work on is probably to do most of the stuff that my dad did, to be basically good at what he did and stuff, like the raw meat he chopped up and put in there. That was my part that I really wanted to do.
Cool. So you want to work on that? Yeah?
Yeah.
And would you like to do another different recipe? Like, was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
Do you think that you could do this meal all by yourself?
Yeah.
You think you could?
Yeah.
And would you want to do every Monday you're in charge of dinner? Would that be fun for you?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Thanks so much, Madison. We'll ask your dad some questions too.
Okay.
Hey, so Billy,
Hi.
what was your child able to do that you weren't expecting?
Like she said, chopping up the vegetables really surprised me. You don't usually see your kid go straight for the knife and you just go, oh, okay. It's kind of a little bit of a panic mode for a minute. And she picked up and kind of looked and had the knife on one part of the broccoli and said, is it here? Is it here? And so I just said yes, and I was like, slow down, and I kind of walked her through, here's how you do it. And she was very careful. She was very cautious. She was aware of what she was doing. So that really surprised me.